Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create a smooth walk. It works like this. It still recreates a new picture, but it repositions the player to the old position, which is the marker. So let's get started. Okay, so let's first go to our tile manager script. And I've edited a couple of things, so you can copy this script from the description. There's a paste bin link to this. And then there's also a link to this function. Just copy that and paste it too. So let's paste this. Then we will create a if statement in our load tiles enumerator. So this if statement will say if our old let does not equal null and our old lon does not equal null or 0, then we'll do the following. We'll do this if statement. So at the first time it loads the tiles, it doesn't activate this if statement. If it will do that, there will be a couple of problems with our player. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create two floats. First one will be x and the other one will be the y. And we'll create a vector tree, call this position, and we'll just point it to vector 3.0. So once you have done this, we'll activate this function, so geodetic offset inf. And now our first parameter is the reference let, and this will be our let times medf dot degrees to radians. So let's just copy this bit. Then it will be lon times medf dot degrees to radians, and then we'll just do the same for the old let and our old lon. And then for the out, we'll do out x and out y. Okay, then we'll create an if statement. And this if statement will check if our old let is smaller than our current one. So there's a little bit of difference, and this will fix the problem we have right now. We will just set the x and y to the player. So let's just fix that. So old let. So if our old let minus our u let is less than 0, and our old lon minus lon is greater than 0, or let's just copy this part. So if our old let is bigger than 0, and if our old lon minus lon is smaller than 0, then we'll say position is new vector tree, and then x, and then 0.25, and then our y, and then we'll do an else, and if it's not that, we'll just copy this and we'll invert it. So then it will be minus y and minus x. Okay, then we'll set this to our player. So target.position is this position, and then we will go to our update function. So let's just change that. We'll say target.position is vector tree.lerp, and then target.position, and then we'll do vector tree new vector tree, and then 0.25 and 0, and we'll just do 2.0 times time the delta time, so it's smooth. Then let's go to our back to our enumerator. Let's change the yield return new wait for seconds to 2. So I've already done that. And then we'll create another yield return. So yield return new wait until, and right here we need to create a function bool. So that's just two brackets, I think. I'm not sure what it's called. Then a sort of an arrow, and then we'll just say, we'll do another bracket, and then we'll say old LED does not equal our current LED, or our old LON does not equal our current LON. So what this will do, if the longitude and latitude didn't change, then it won't create a new image. This will just save some data for your phone and for your internet connection. Now the only thing we need to add is a fix for our position. So the offset is a little bit off. Well, it's not just a little bit, it's quite some. So we have to change this, and I've already figured out the numbers we are going to use. So for the x coordinate, it's times equals 0.0.3000122 and then f. And for the z-axis, it will be times equals 0.123043. Okay, well, this should fix the offset quite a bit. And for the next part, we're going to create a while loop. In this while loop, we're going to change the LED and longitude every 1 second. So while our old LED equals our current LED, and our old LON equals our current LON, it will change our LED and longitude. Well, that is of course input dot location dot less data dot latitude, and for the longitude it's the same, but then longitude and a LON. And then we're also going to add a yield return, you wait for seconds, and then we'll just do 0.5f or something. And if you think the image is loading too slow, you can also just change the 2 seconds to like 1 second perhaps, and this one to 0.5 or lower. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we are going to add the Pokemons on the map, and we're probably also going to add the clicking on the Pokemon. So see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I would also really appreciate it if you liked this video. See you guys later. Bye.